Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing grids for the Artist app. Drawing grids are an invaluable tool for artists, offering a structured approach to creating accurate and proportionate artwork. They help you maintain correct perspective and ensure all elements are precisely placed on your digital canvas. By breaking down complex subjects into smaller, manageable sections, grids simplify the entire drawing process, making it more accessible and less daunting for artists of all skill levels. Setting up your grid is straightforward. First, find the Grid tool, usually in the app's View or Settings menu. You can then customize its appearance to best suit your project. Adjust the line spacing, perhaps to 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter, change the color for better visibility, and set the opacity so it doesn't distract from your artwork. Many apps offer various grid types, such as square, isometric, or even perspective grids, giving you flexibility for different artistic styles and requirements. Now, let's put the grid into practice. Begin by observing your reference image and mentally, or even physically, dividing it into a corresponding grid. Then, focus on drawing one grid square at a time on your digital canvas. This method helps you concentrate on the smaller shapes and lines within each section, rather than feeling overwhelmed by the entire subject. Continuously use the grid to check your proportions and alignment, making small adjustments as you progress to ensure accuracy. To elevate your grid usage, experiment with different grid sizes. Smaller grids, for instance, 1/4 inch squares, offer greater precision for intricate details, while larger grids are better for initial blocking. Consider combining grids with other helpful guides, such as digital rulers or symmetry tools, to enhance your control and accuracy even further. Remember, consistent practice is key. The more you use grids, the more you'll develop an intuitive understanding of proportion and spatial relationships, eventually relying less on the grid itself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.